Read from beginning. Hamza
Hello.
waw zamma oo.
Hamza was Zama'u
Ta kasrati.
Ta Kasrati
Hands down. Ya fatha ya.
Ya Pataya
Now it sound utiya.
Utiya
The next one. Ba waw zamma boo.
Ta was Zamabu.
The first letter ba with connected second letter waw. Okay.
Okay.
Ba waw zamma boo.
Ba was Zamabu.
Ra kasrari.
Ta Katari
Buri.
Suri
I said buri.
Duri
Ka fatha ka.
Ka Fataka.
Focus the lesson.
Okay.
Burika.
Burika
Next one. Ta waw zamma tu.
Ta was Zamatu.
Ta heva zamma and waw sakin. I mean waw silent. Ta with connected waw. Okay.
Okay.
Ta waw zamma tu.
Ta was Zamatu.
Ra waw zamma ru.
Ra was Zamaru.
Ra heva zamma and waw silent. Ra with connected
Okay.
waw. Ra waw zamma ru.
Ra was Zamaru.
And the last noon fathana.
No Patana.
Now it sound turuna.
Turuna.
Next one, sit in front of the camera.
Okay.
Look it from here. Look it.
I'm looking.
Hands down. Wow zamma woo.
Wow Zamaru.
Wow zamma woo.
Wow Zamawu.
Jim wow zamma ju.
Jim was Zamaju.
Wuju.
Shuju.
Ha double zamma hun.
That was Zamahu.
Wuju hun.
Suzuhun.
Next one, ha with connected wow. Okay.
Okay.
Ha have a zamma. Look it from here.
I'm looking.
Ha have a zamma and wow silent. Ha with connected wow. Ha wow. Ha wow zamma hu.
How wow Zamahu.
Ra double zamma run.
That was Zamaru.
Now it sound hu run.
Surun.
Hu run.
Surun.
This is not su. Ha ha.
Urun.
Hu run.
Urun.
Yes. I am sending you a lesson today. Practice it and come prepare tomorrow next class.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Always practice your lesson before coming to class.
Okay.
I have recorded what I taught and sent it to you. Listen to it, memorize the lesson, and come prepare tomorrow next class.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And now you can go.
Okay.
I am sending you a lesson and I will listen tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.